Let's be honest. Finding and fixing issues in a company's complex yet crucial processes is a mystery, a really difficult mystery. It takes forever to understand what's going on. Sometimes you're wrangling different systems, and usually you're navigating different versions of what right looks like. The data is lagging, the ROI is tough to prove, the finger pointing is frustrating. And then there's you, trying to help. But who's helping you? What if you had a sidekick that did the hard parts for you, so you could swoop in, do what you do best, and create valuable solutions? With Chassi as your sidekick, you'll get curated process intelligence that you can act on day one. That means you'll have a high-level understanding of what's going on and be able to dig in to uncover the root causes of issues within 24 hours of install. From the moment you log in, you'll know where to start and can create benchmarks to measure the impact of your improvements over time. You'll see data you've never seen in ways you recognize. Chassi is a product, not a project. But more than that, it's a tool that enriches NetSuite system notes and lets you decide how you want to see the whole story. Because how can you improve a process if you don't objectively know how it's performing, how long each step takes, and where it gets stuck? And now you can build the business case for improvements before you even start. Because hey, while you're trying to find wasted time and work, there's no point in wasting yours too. And while we're being honest, there will still be plenty of unknowns in improving businesses. Let us demystify the process part. Learn more and get started at chassi.com.